hi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a bit since I got back from Seattle, but I'm finally home. I wasn't really sure how to format this video other than like just going through my room, which is exactly what I did. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, I'll see you guys. I'll start with Rini's corner. It's not too much, but I have her little cat tree here. I know it's not as tall as some other people's. Right now, this is like what I have for her setup, as well as her water fountain. She loves it when like water comes streaming out, and I think it's healthier for her because the water continuously gets filtered. Rini always doesn't finish her food, so sorry if it's a bit gross, but yeah, Rini's food is here. I bought this mat from IKEA, and yeah, this is her cat tree. Kind of small. I want to invest in a newer one, but right now is not a good time for me because her food is quite expensive and I need to get her spayed soon, so I've been trying to save up for that. In this section here, right next to Rini's corner, is kind of like my mirror, as well as where I do my makeup. I bought this little table from Winners, and then I bought this fake plant because this plant is poisonous to cats, so I can't have the real one. Yeah, I bought that from IKEA, as well as a little carpet and some blankets and a pillow for me to sit on when I do my makeup in front of the mirror. Yeah, like, it's pretty cute. I love this mirror. And then like just back here, oh, Rini, what are you doing? She always does this for some reason, like claw at the mirror. I think she's just trying to get my attention. Over here, if you guys saw this black thing, I bought this from a thrift store. It's from Amazon, but it's like a roller. It was such a good find. I love thrifting, so this is one thing I picked up from the thrift store. So in my bed, I like the very like cloudy look. I've seen a lot of YouTubers who like have this like kind of bed sheet where it's just like all white aesthetic, which is kind of like what I'm going for, like a Pinterest slash minimalistic look. I have my Karopi plushie, as well as, I don't know if you guys know this plushie, but it's called Belly Gum. It's from Korea. I have another one like right here about the head. But I love my plushies, so I kind of have a bit of color in my minimalistic look. I showed you guys a little bit earlier of like when I built it and added a few things. I added a lot more in here. Like this corner has like my bags. Then this corner is like my makeup and other miscellaneous stuff. Here is like a little bit of technology and Rini's things. Here is just random things. And I also have this box here that I mainly put things that I use on a daily basis. So my keys. I recently got like these tea packets from like when I went flying, so I just took some. In this section here is like all my skincare and vitamins and things like that. It's quite messy, so I was a bit like, when I was gonna do this vlog, I was like, should I clean this up? But this is like how it normally looks, so yeah. And then right next to it, I have my books. I love poem books. I showed this before, Pillow Thoughts. This one here was my first book, or poem book that I got, called Sea of Strangers. Been collecting books for, I just finished this one. It took me so long to finish this book, but it was a good read. I need to catch up on my reading, but it's just been hectic with school and work, so maybe I'll bring one while I travel. That'll probably be smarter. Alright, and then over here, you can see all my cords coming out, but I have like, I reused this Lactofit. It's basically like probiotic drink supplement, something like that. But I just used a container to put all my pens and things like that in there. I bought this book in Korea. This one is really interesting. I actually need to sit down and read this one. So it has like its English side and the Korean side because I bought it in Korea. Oh, and then this is my One Piece book I bought in Japan. I bought it before the anime came out of like Luffy's, I think it was 5th year. And in here, it's just a bunch of random things. Bigger books, I guess, that I couldn't fit here. Like my Korean textbook, this magazine that student magazine for Seoul National University that I worked with. I created a few journal entries in here. But yeah, this is like kind of my shelf area. I probably should reorganize it a bit better, but it suffices for now. So with my computer setup, it's kind of like, originally this table was used for like makeup by my sister, and I repurposed it so that I could have my PC in my room. Originally my PC was in my basement. If you guys remembered my previous vlogs, I really tried to avoid filming in the basement because our basement isn't fully furnished, so my one corner was not good. Like, I was very restricted on where I filmed, but now I have plenty of space. I can film like anywhere in my room. I have 2 monitors. I definitely need to like get new parts for my computer because they're quite old. Up here I have like a shelf of like more plushies, some figurines I got in Japan, flowers, and like my diploma when I graduated film school, as well as some certificates. And then I even have like an IU album that my boss gave me as a gift. Oh my god. And this is the thing I wanted to show you guys. So here, my boss, he has like a lot of artist friends. He was able to get me some prints, and thankfully like this looks so good, and I'm gonna put this up when I buy a frame. Oh my god, it looks so nice. Like I'll probably put the title of the artist somewhere, but they're based in LA and they only do US shows, so it was my only chance to get it there. They only do fan expos in Canada, so yeah, insider information, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. I was kind of like pushing it back for a while since like this project has taken me so long that I was kind of procrastinating filming this part of the vlog because I was like, oh, this project that I've been working on for so long has kind of finished, and now this is kind of the end of it, and I was just like pushing it back, but I'm kind of glad I managed to do it. I think having like your own space is such a privilege, especially like nowadays where space and like with rent and buying a home for young people is incredibly hard. Like, I also want to move out eventually out of my parents' home, but just realistically as a young person, and I think many others, it's just too difficult. And it sucks because sometimes like people want to be able to move out to be able to live their life because, I don't know, like family issues or just wanting to start your career, your life, and it's hard. I'm really glad that I have this space now, and very grateful that now I can just like record in my room without worrying about other people, as well as being able to fully pursue my projects that I love doing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. My next vlog will probably be either, most likely, my Toronto trip. I'll be leaving in 7 days now, so coming up real soon. I'm not sure how I should vlog it. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any suggestions, like if you just want me to focus on food, or if you want to focus on like what my job entails, or just traveling, because I'm also there for traveling, so maybe I'll split it up into 2 vlogs. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys like, don't like. I'm really curious if people actually watch my full vlogs, but in the end of the day, I'm doing this to look back when I'm old, and yeah, I'm just having fun with it. Yeah. See you guys.